What's going on, my tech friends? This is One Tech But So. As you already know, the title of the video, I'm more excited than you are. Very, very excited. It's coming. It's very, very soon. And yeah, I cannot wait. Anyway, let's just dive straight into this video. Let's just get straight into the nitty and the gritty. Anyway, the Samsung Galaxy S21 date is the launch is sooner than we may expect. January the 14th is when the company will host the Galaxy Unpacked 2021 press conference, meaning we'll get to see the new 5G phones and accessories at the event, and I really can't wait. I'm very, very excited. I'll be watching every second of it. January 14th, which is on a Tuesday, the keynote will start at 10 p.m. Eastern Time, 7 a.m. PST, 3 p.m. GMT, which is us, which is me, and Friday 2 a.m. AEST time. All of the latest Samsung Galaxy S21 leaks point to the three new phones: the Galaxy S21, the Galaxy S21 Plus, and the Galaxy S21 Ultra, refreshing the 11-month-old trio, which was the Samsung Galaxy S20, the S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra. You'll be able to watch the event live online on the Samsung website, so you want to check that video out. I mean, a lot of people are going to be watching, especially a lot of us, the tech YouTubers. We're going to be watching it, so we see what Samsung is going to actually put out for us, and obviously if our leaks and our rumors that we've been giving you guys information on is right, because that's what's more important. But yeah, I can't wait. I genuinely can't wait. People can't wait. But yeah, keynote is going to be on a website, the Samsung website, so you can go on there at your time that I've obviously mentioned later before in the video. Go check that out in that time, and yeah, it will be live, up and running for you guys to go check out. But yeah, it's going to be absolutely fantastic. So Samsung is moving its usual late February announcement window up, perhaps due to the fact that MWC 2020 has shifted to late June, or that the Snapdragon 888 and the Exynos 2100 chipset is already ready, is ready to go. Maybe they got it early and they got it ready in time for Samsung to actually give us that early release date, which could be a possibility. And it also clashes on the last day of CES 2021 too as well. And CES, I would love to go to CES because it's full of a lot of tech, and yeah, I want to join in that fun. But yeah, anyway, one day inshallah we'll go to CES and see what it's really about. And of course, Samsung event invites doesn't name any of the phones we've mentioned, such as the Samsung Galaxy S21 lineup. It bills the event for the semi-annual Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2021 showcase with a tagline that they say, "Welcome to Everyday Epic." But the event invite image clearly shows that the recent leaks rear camera and the rear camera module in the Opaque Cube. We're expecting Samsung to deliver phones in three screen sizes, which is the 6.2 inch, 6.7 inch, and a whopping 6.9 inches as well. All with a 120 hertz adaptive display and a smaller bezel at the bottom of the devices. So we're gonna say bye-bye to the chin. Devices with with quad-core Snapdragon 888 for the US and the Exynos 2100 chipset for everywhere else in the world, and at least 8 gig of RAM. But rumors say the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is going to have about 12 gig of RAM, but we'll see what the keynote says obviously when we do come to watch it. And then we're also waiting to hear if the phones are gonna be able to have expandable storage with a micro USB card micro SD card slot in there as well. So we're waiting to see what the keynote says. Hopefully we get it, because a lot of people, I know the amount of storage that the phones comes in there. There are a lot of storage, but people like putting their micro SD card in as well, in case like they've had phones back in the days that have got pictures and stuff like that saved done. It's nice to have it on the phone so that you know that you have it on the phone, which will be quite nice. But yeah, the keynote will tell us, and we will see if we're gonna get that or not. The Samsung Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus rear camera seems to be getting specific special treatment with a 61 and a 12 megapixel lens for the camera, and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is going to be having a 108 megapixel lens alongside a 5 times or a 10 times optical zoom. And for the S Pen stylus, well, all I'm going to say is we're going to leave that to Samsung to obviously let us know about the S Pen stylus in the keynote, because right now there's a lot of how do you say it, debate if it's going to be included or it's not going to be included. We're going to have to see from the keynote when we watch it. But yeah, anyway, guys, when the keynote does happen, I'll be making a video about the keynote as well. You get my reactions, my impressions, and also another video of the actual products they've announced in the keynote as well. But yeah, that's been a full update right now. Up to date things that we know about the S21 series that will be coming out. The keynote is coming soon, January the 14th. Please make sure you check it out and watch it on the Samsung website, because I will. I'm very, very excited. But yeah, anyway, guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys later. Before you go, subscribe to the video, to the channel, like the video, comment down below, tell me if you enjoyed the video or not. And yeah, I'll see you guys later for the keynote, I guess. Peace.